Hey friends, if you wish to download and install the old version of Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. See, here's one thing that I want you to know. There is no previous version of Chrome on the Chrome website itself, but I found it on the SlimJet website. Okay, this is a third party website and I do not assure that it is safe, but I found it and the people who are using it, so you can consider it at your own risk. Now, first of all, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Click on this downward pointing arrow here, select uninstall. Okay, now we'll search for Chrome once again. Click on these three dots here, select uninstall and then select uninstall once again. Let it be uninstalled completely and then you can install the older version. I'll do it on my PC because I always have a backup, and then I click on this option to install it. Okay, it's still loading. I can see that circling here. Okay, so here's the version. It's initializing. It will install by itself now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.